So this is the piece that we ordered from Bachatdukaan. It is a floating shelf and consists of 4 pieces with joints in them, as you can see. It is glossy and on the other side it has a matte surface. I'm turning it over and you can see the joints that are on them and are used to stick it. This is the side table or the console that we have under our TV. It has its internet modems, a lamp and a tiny frame. Our carpenter suggested this side to put the floating shelf, but then we told him it's supposed to be under the TV. And then we were trying to see where it would actually fit, on what side it would look symmetrical. So here he is measuring where the floating shelves will be placed so that he can drill the holes in the wall. He is now taking the measurements between the first slab and the second one so that he can know at which distance he's going to drill the holes on the wall. We have now put the floating shelves at a distance so that the wires can go from behind them. He's now drilling the holes, and this is a close-up shot. As an architect, I suggested that he put the floating shelves at the height of 30 inches, taking him a little while. And then he started hammering the nails into the wall. As you can see, he first put in a small piece of wood cork so that the nails don't fall off even when the shelf is hanging. And this is him trying to fix the floating shelf to see if it's symmetrical and if it's at the right height. And then the client tried to see how it would look like and how the modems are going to be on that shelf. This is a close-up shot of how the things are going to be put on it. He's still trying to figure out how the wires are going to look, and this is the final shot.